What's up?
Hey.
Where are you going?
Richmond.
Richmond?
They finally sent me a long run.
Hell yeah.
Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna go deal with this.
Have fun.
Man. So this guy picked up this load. Broker told him it was 80,000 pounds. But he didn't get all the pictures showing that it was laid over. If I see a picture of a sewer truck or whatever the hell this is, I'm thinking it's some kind of suction pump. I see it's laid over. First thing I'm gonna think, there's old Jason, JGS, Christina. Yeah. Yeah, they're gonna have to unload that. It's on the way to travel safely. Get them reloaded and rolling. Yeah, if I'd seen pictures of this as a trucker, first thing I would have thought is it rolled over and it was probably full inside. Probably can't tell in the video. It's leaning pretty good. There goes Jen, my sister. She just started running rollback for us probably about 2-3 months ago. Yeah, you can see he was scraping all the way. He was scared to move the truck, but we got him moved. Yeah, you can't really tell in the video. It's leaning hard. Yeah, we got him over here, and then we'll get a couple of rotators over here and figure out what they want to do. They really need to take that bed off and put the heavy part at the bottom. It's the only way to really safely transport this, I'm thinking. Well, we'll figure it out. Come back with some video.